The statewide tornado drill is going to be Tuesday, March 22nd. It kicks off at 9:45 a.m. and it's sponsored by the National Weather Service and the Virginia Department of Emergency Management. We are encouraging all residents to participate, organizations, businesses, houses of worship, families, and individuals. At 9:45 a.m., the National Weather Service will send out a test tornado warning. When you receive that warning, you'll take action and take cover. If you're inside, the best action to take is go to an interior room in your building at the lowest level possible. Stay away from windows. Ideally, a closet or a restroom with no windows is the safest location. After the drill is complete, review your actions with your organization or your family members and make sure that you took the best action possible in case of a tornado. For everyone that participates, we encourage you to register at readyvirginia.gov. Last year, over 1 million Virginians participated and registered for this event. Historically, the past few years, Fairfax County has had the highest number of registrants, so we'd like to keep that streak going.